The GAZ-69 is one of the most iconic off-road vehicles ever produced in the Soviet Union, known for its rugged design, simplicity, and impressive durability. Manufactured by the Gorky automobile plant GAZ and later by the Ulyanovskaya automobile plant UAZ, the GAZ-69 became a legendary military and civilian vehicle, widely used across Eastern Europe, Asia, and many other regions during the mid-20th century. Its production started in 1953 and continued until 1972, and even after production stopped, it remained a symbol of reliability and strength for decades. The GAZ-69 was originally designed as a light utility vehicle for the Soviet Army. It was intended to replace the outdated GAZ-67B, which had served during World War II. The engineers at GAZ developed a vehicle that could handle the toughest terrain, from muddy rural roads to mountainous trails, and could function in extreme cold or heat. The result was a vehicle that was not only practical and robust but also versatile enough to be used for a variety of purposes, including as a transport vehicle, reconnaissance car, ambulance, and even a command vehicle. The exterior design of the GAZ-69 is simple but highly functional. It features a boxy body with a flat front grille and round headlights, giving it a classic military look. The front end is characterized by a vertical radiator grille with the GAZ emblem, a hallmark of the brand. The body was made mostly of steel and designed to be easily repaired in the field. The GAZ-69 typically came with a canvas top that could be removed, transforming it into an open-top vehicle. This feature made it ideal for both military and civilian use, especially in agricultural and forestry operations. The GAZ-69 was produced in several versions. The most common was the two-door version known as the GAZ-69, which could carry up to 8 people, including the driver. There was also a four-door version, the GAZ-69A, which had additional seating and was often used by officers or as a command vehicle. Some versions were equipped with tools and equipment for specific tasks, such as towing artillery or carrying communication devices. Under the hood, the GAZ-69 was powered by a 2.1-liter inline 4-cylinder gasoline engine, which produced about 55 horsepower. While this may not sound like much by modern standards, it was more than enough for the lightweight structure of the vehicle. The engine was reliable and easy to maintain, even under harsh conditions. It was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 2-speed transfer case, allowing the driver to switch between rear-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive as needed. This system gave the GAZ-69 excellent off-road performance and allowed it to climb steep inclines, cross rivers, and travel over uneven terrain with ease. The suspension system of the GAZ-69 was designed for maximum flexibility and endurance. It used leaf springs and solid axles on both the front and rear, which made it capable of handling rough roads and heavy loads. The vehicle had a ground clearance of about 210 mm, which helped it pass over obstacles without damaging the underbody. Its tires were large and had deep treads, designed to provide excellent traction in mud, snow, or sand. Inside, the GAZ-69 was extremely basic, reflecting its utilitarian purpose. The interior featured minimal comfort elements, metal surfaces, simple seats, and a straightforward dashboard with only essential instruments such as the speedometer, fuel gauge, and oil pressure indicator. There were no luxury features, but everything was built to last and easy to repair. The windshield could be folded down, and the doors could be removed, allowing soldiers or workers to adapt the vehicle according to their needs. One of the reasons the GAZ-69 became so popular was its ability to operate in the harshest climates. Whether it was the freezing winters of Siberia, the deserts of Central Asia, or the mountains of Eastern Europe, the vehicle could perform reliably. Its simplicity made it easy to maintain with limited tools and spare parts. This was crucial for military operations, where field repairs were often necessary. The GAZ-69 was not only used in the Soviet Union but also exported to many countries allied with the USSR. It became a common sight in Eastern Bloc nations, as well as in parts of the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. In some places, it was even produced under license, and many of its design elements influenced later vehicles such as the UAZ-469, which replaced it in the early 1970s. Over time, the GAZ-69 gained a reputation among car enthusiasts and collectors for its rugged charm and historical significance. Many restored models are still running today, often seen at vintage car shows or used for off-road adventures. Despite its age, it continues to impress people with its strength and simplicity. Its design philosophy, focusing on durability, ease of maintenance, and adaptability, remains a lesson for modern vehicle engineering. In summary, the GAZ-69 stands as a symbol of Soviet practicality and endurance. It was more than just a vehicle, it was a workhorse that supported soldiers, workers, and civilians across generations. Its combination of simple mechanics, reliable engine, and strong off-road capability made it one of the most respected vehicles of its time. Even today, the GAZ-69 is remembered not only as a piece of Soviet automotive history but as a true legend of the road and the wilderness.